All phones, headphones, tabs, laptops, computers, and even TVs nowadays use Bluetooth. It is the oldest technology. I am seeing this from my childhood, and if you are also seeing this from your childhood, hit that like button. Even in 2019, Bluetooth plays a major role. Let me explain. You want a song and you ask to share it with a Bluetooth, and your friend goes like, "Wait, what? You want me to share it in Bluetooth? Dude, are you crazy? Wait, let me send it in Share It app or Files Go app." This is what he answers. So what would you say? The answer is based on your choice. While I have both of them and I just want the song. So why am I saying this? Guys, it's because all the sharing apps we use is the same as Bluetooth, while few modifications in the UI is done, that is user interface. Bluetooth plays a major role in all these apps. When you try to share, the Bluetooth is turned on along with Wi-Fi. I'll explain why Wi-Fi, but in this video we will see the working of Bluetooth. I'll also make a video on Wi-Fi soon. Bluetooth being the backbone, it is also known as the versatile wireless king. You're watching Beyond, and let's get into our topic. First, let's see the environment at which Bluetooth runs. As we all know, Bluetooth is a wireless connection between two devices. It can be a mobile to mobile or a mobile to any other device. To transmit or receive any data, a Bluetooth must be connected with that transmitter device and with that receiver device. This is done only when both of these share a common frequency. You would have observed that when you turn on Bluetooth, it takes few seconds or even a minute to show the other phone. Have you ever wondered why the time to show the device vary? To know that, we must first know the basics of Bluetooth. There are many frequencies around us and we won't feel any, but our phones do. So to connect a phone via Bluetooth, we must first turn on the Bluetooth. Once this is done, it starts to search only in the range of Bluetooth and neglect all other frequencies. Now let us see the frequency range of Bluetooth. The Bluetooth frequency range is from 2.400 to 2.485 MHz. If you think that the range is too less, then you are wrong. The Bluetooth changes up to 79 different frequencies within the range and changing 1600 times within a second. Due to this, when you and your friend try to connect to Bluetooth, both of your phones will undergo the process said above, and when both are in the frequency range, they show under visible devices. Further, the interesting fact about Bluetooth is that we can connect up to 8 devices together, out of which one acts as the master and the rest 7 acts as a slave. So when you connect only 2 devices, one acts as a master and the other acts as a slave. For better understanding, let's take a Fitband, and when you connect it, the mobile acts as the master and the Fitband acts as the slave. This is just to explain you the process of connection after detecting. Now once connected, the data is transmitted in a great way. When you listen to a music in your Bluetooth speaker, there is no time delay. That is, the voice in the track time and the voice you hear will be the same. Don't forget that it's wireless. How is this done? After connecting any two Bluetooth devices, the data is sent when both the devices run in the same frequency. In a second, the frequency changes 1600 times within the range, and each time the change of frequency will be the same when compared to the two devices in order to transmit and receive data. The data packets will be transmitted in different frequencies within a second. This is the main advantage, where you will find less or even no disturbance while transferring a file. Now imagine there are 16 devices in the same area and each device is connected with other, forming 8 pairs. The data is now transferred in between these 8 pairs. Now the question for the viewers is, will one pair affect the other? Pause the video and drop down your guess in the comment section. If you have guessed that it will affect, then you are wrong. To avoid these types of issues, the Bluetooth keeps on changing the frequency, which I said a couple of minutes ago. The chances for any 2 or more pairs to have the same frequency is rare. And again, if even that happens, the sender will pass for less than a second until the change in frequency takes place. Once it gets the unique frequency within the paired device, it will continue to transfer. This is why Bluetooth is quite slow. However, to do all these processes, Bluetooth also needs power. So the power usage in the starting stages was too high, and now in Bluetooth 5.0 it is just 0.5 millivolts, which is too low for the process it does. The main disadvantage in this is with the distance. The older versions were 10 meters to 100 meters, but the latest version 5.0 has the range from 40 to 400 meters, which has increased 4 times. And further, Bluetooth can penetrate to walls, but obviously it is again slow. Having Bluetooth as the backbone, and to overcome the disadvantages such as speed and distance, the apps such as ShareIt and FilesGo use Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon next to it to get instant notification whenever I release a new video. Do share this video with your friends and comment on what we need to speak next. Always remember to think big.